previous recipes that I did prepare. I'm not sure whether you have seen this or not, but I have prepared this. You can definitely follow me on Instagram for more such updates. I have posted every updates regarding this. We're preparing corn aloo, and let's just see how to do it. It's our a quick recipe, which is corn aloo की सब्ज़ी, which is a very simple recipe. So थोड़े पोटैटो मैंने क्यूब्स में काट लिए हैं, and then a little corn. This I have cooked in mustard oil. You can cook in white oil also, and little bit of onion. So let them saute for a little while, and if you want to cook it faster, then cover it with a lid and let this cook for a while. आलू में जनरली आलू या फिर कॉर्न एंड द ऑनियन, इनको अच्छे से होने के लिए ऐड सम सॉल्ट. आई हैव एडेड सम सॉल्ट, चिली पाउडर, एंड लेट दिस हैपन फॉर अ वाइल. मैंने आलू पहले से बॉईल करके नहीं रखे थे, उसमें क्यूब्स में काट लीजिए. एंड ट्राई टू ऑल्सो सेपरेट देम, लाइक ये जो है इसको थोड़ा सेपरेट करके, अगर आप जल्दी कुक करना चाहते हैं तो और छोटा काट सकते हैं. सो कॉर्न, ऑनियन एंड आलू, इसको आराम से ऑयल में सॉटे होने दीजिए. एंड डिपेंड्स, जितना छोटा आप वेजिटेबल काटेंगे उतना ही जल्दी वो कुक होगा. सो लेट दिस कवर विद अ प्रॉपर लिड. और तब तक फटाफट मैं पराठे के लिए ऑलरेडी ये डो रख के रखी हूँ. नाउ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कुक पराठा इन maida, but I kind of always use full atta, no maida. I did prepare sandwich, but the recipe I have not shared. I'll share very soon. Maybe next time whenever I prepare, I'll definitely share. This is a very nutritious sandwich, which is like atte ka bread and a little bit of tomato and onions and little bit of potato. So I will share this recipe later. तो इसको होने के लिए रख देते हैं. This video I will share a little tips and tricks. This is like halfway. I've cooked in the less oil. That's the reason ये थोड़ा लग जाता है, and you have to keep on stirring. Quick tips and trick. थोड़ा अगर आप तीखा खाते हैं तो जो चिलीज़ है उसको स्ट्रेट मत काटिए, उसको एक एंगुलर शेप में काटिए. That will add more chilliness to the curry or anything you cook. Next thing is the water should be a little warm. What happens is, जब हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं, आप लोग बोलते हैं कि बाहर की करी का the color is superb, it is on point, but घर पे जब बनाते हैं it is not on point. That's because जब आप सब्जी में नॉर्मल पानी डालते हैं, that is what it should not be done. It should be a little warm, just enough to touch. It should be a little warm. It's written tea, don't go into it. So माइक्रोवेव अगर आपके घर में है तो फटाफट से थोड़ा गर्म कर लीजिए, या फिर नेक्स्ट चूल्हे में थोड़ा सा warm, lukewarm water ले लीजिए. Not lukewarm, but a little higher temperature than the lukewarm. So I will open this and I will add first chili along with the seeds. Do not miss the seeds of the chili, because those seeds are also the one which is like थोड़ा सा अच्छा सा स्वाद लाता है. So that is there. Now you have to stir it. Make sure it is evenly spread. Okay, and then if you want you can add a little sugar, but corn is already a sweet thing. So being a Bengali, I do add a little sugar, but little sugar as in chota spoon, very chota spoon. Like when I say chota spoon, it is like this spoon ka 1/4. So you can do that, but corn is already sweet, so I'm not gonna add anything. I'll add a little bit of chili powder because we kind of eat a little tikha. We don't like the sour, or we don't like the meetha sa. So I'll add and I'll stir for a little while, and then I'll add this lukewarm water. After adding water, you cannot see the curry's color is getting decolorized, but it sustains the color for the curry. Now this can be cooked in a like white curry which Bengalis eat, but I wanted to have it a little spicy. So I will let this happen. If required you can add salt, but I will prefer not to add salt now. करी को थोड़ा उबाल में आने दीजिए. Let 2-3 boil come, and then probably you can add salt accordingly. The other thing which is remaining in this curry is just some dhania. and little bit of garam masala if you eat garam masala, and a spoon of ghee. That's it. So I will quickly dive into paratha. So in the paratha, what I actually do, the tip and trick is again a lukewarm water. So whenever you make a dough, please make sure that you add a lukewarm water. Cover this for 10 minutes. So अगर आपका बेलन है तो उसको directly आप ऐसे cover कर दीजिए, and it should be airtight. So let this dough, get softened. It is very soft. It might not look soft, but it is actually very soft. So I'm just gonna quickly make paratha, and I will also, many people have said that मेरे पराठे shape के नहीं बनते हैं, so I will let you know how to make it. For that you require a little bit of oil and a little bit of water, which I will take in any of these bowls, and we will do it. Paratha is now getting cooked. So the trick is, पहले आप लोइयाँ काटेंगे, उसको गोल बनाएंगे. Then these edges you have to seal it with water or oil. So oil आप finger से लीजिए, seal कीजिए. Make sure the edges are properly sealed, and the symptom, or when you see the paratha is getting swelled like this, that is when it is actually a good paratha. So you can see the edges are not properly cooked. So you have to cook these edges properly like this, and जब दोनों तरफ ये कुक हो जाएगा, then you have to brush some oil. So ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है पराठे को बहुत सारा ऑयल चाहिए, not necessary. A little oil is also fine, unless आप इसको थोड़ा टाइम निकाल के अच्छे से प्रॉपरली इसको सेकते हैं. It's as simple as that. And the shape you can put it as triangle, square के भी पराठे बनते हैं. It all depends on how you want. पराठा अभी गोल हो चुका है, and then edges में थोड़ा सा water लेके, and then you have to fold like this. Perfect गोल हुआ, then that's very good. Next thing हम करेंगे is to seal with the oil. So same brush से take this oil and then brush it in the corners. ठीक है, brush करने के बाद just fold it, and when you do this, just seal it. Need not be in a perfect round shape, need not be in any shape, but just fold it and just seal the edges, not edges, edges. Okay, and इसको पलट लीजिए. Take some dry flour, spread it and start rolling it. Simple, it's very simple paratha. Square का भी अगर चाहिए तो I'll definitely include in the next video. Rolling, it comes into this size, which is a triangle, sort of, not complete triangle, but parathe complete triangle नहीं होते हैं. So I will try properly roast it at both the ends and apply a little brush of oil. So see, you can see the paratha is getting swelled. That means the work that we have done is correct.